In this video, we race the Traxxas Slash against the Traxxas Maxx. Who will win? So the new addition to the toy cabinet, it's a Traxxas Maxx. So it's a little bit bigger than the Slash. It's got a 4S battery, a bigger motor, fan, bigger tires, a wheelie bar. It's pretty cool. Let's have some fun, guys. Yeah. New field, lots of rules. Well, it doesn't say no remote control cars.
It just
Look at this,
vehicles.
go. All right, into the arena. Insane surface. Have a race. Yeah, the batteries are a bit lower, so we're just gonna have like a straight race. It's supposedly supposed to do 60 mile an hour. All right, it's only gonna be like a 20 meter. All right, go. Millie wins! You couldn't control the power, Nicholas. We'll go a bit further this time. We'll go to the try line. All right, get behind the line. On your marks. Get set, go! Oh, big crash, oh! All right, okay, we're gonna start on the dead ball line and we're gonna work to the middle. So this is even longer. This is the middle of the field. So this is a 50 meter race. Okay, on your marks. Get set, go! Problem is, the Max wins this one. No, you rolled before the line. We'll do one more. I think the Slash one, you rolled just before you got to the finish line.
Was I here?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to watch the instant replay at home.
Yeah.
Let's go one more time. There's another 50 meter race here. On your marks. Get set, go. Oh, if he keeps control of it, he's got it easily. Oh. Huh?
When you said ready, he went.
Oh, you cheated. False start. But when it came through the finish line, the tires were like knives. All right, what we're going to do is try and jump off this. You got to be careful because there's a stone step there.
What is this stone step?
Yeah, you got to go to the left or right of it.
I promise you, this is not going to end well.
This is probably not going to end well, Millie, but it could make good footage. I don't think you have to go super fast off it though. Go, Nicholas, go. Let Nicholas go first. Just kind of. Oh, nice landing. Righto, Traxxas Slash. Oh, beautiful landing. That's going to look wicked. Let's go do some jumps. Go. Whoa.
Its tires explode.
Tires are amazing. Let's have a look at the power this thing's got. Hang on. Probably eat my hand. Watch out, Mill. It's going to flick water everywhere. Go. Amazing. Go again. Oh, okay.
That thing is nasty.
Oh, look at this little jump here in front of you.
Wait, compare.
See if you can jump straight over it. Oh.
Look.
Yeah, no, it does. They balloon. Go, they balloon. Don't forget, we've been playing with them for 20 minutes. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Body keeps coming off it. So with this, it doesn't have clips to hold the body on. They've thought of a different way. That there, it clips underneath that. And then the back, it has another clip. So that there goes under that. We can hear the fans working. And this one here, we don't have to put the Gorilla Tape underneath it. It's got its own little concaveness, so the dirt doesn't go in it, whereas here, the Gorilla Tape is stopping all the crud going in there. It does, it still goes in.
Yeah, just not as much as this one.
So this clicks under it like that. This is a beast of a car. Let's go and do a few more jumps. See, there's a lip here now, look. There's a lip there. Hit it, Mill. Yeah, that's the lip we should be hitting. Go. Yeah, nice one. Go. Oh.
That thing's crazy.
It's amazing. Whoa! Good reflexes, son. Oh, you could have saved that if you kept the throttle on. Yeah, there's still plenty of power. That's after 25 minutes. Oh! Right, let's test out its crawling ability. I don't think it's going to do any good here compared to our four-wheel drive crawlers. It's too high geared, but it's still going alright. It's still getting there. It's like a trophy truck, getting through all the obstacles. Whoa, too fast. Yeah, it's only got open diff. It's not. Whoa!